Compatibility, compatible. Be on the same page. Compatible, meaning a unit. Two people merged together so close and tight that you cannot see the separation. Unity. Is hatred easier? Is it just easier to, is it lazier? And if it is laziness the approach? Compatible. Are you compatible with somebody? Are you compatible with the world? Are you ready for everything that it offers? Everything that it throws at you? Compatible. Are you good enough to be in a relationship? I know the answer is yes, yes. I'm sure you are. The problem is always the other person. You're compatible, right? You have all of your shit together. But everybody says, I'm not perfect, but yet they can't find a flaw that they will accept in somebody else. Let's talk about money for a minute when it comes to compatibility, relationships. All of the people that either have money are very stingy with their decision making and their money, and they're trying to pick and choose somebody that they feel is compatible. And I'm embarrassed to know that people just shun or kick people to the side that's just not qualified in their mind. You know, you like a piece of shit to them. I mean, it's just really that simple. And this sometimes causes people to spiral out of control, hurt themselves, damage something, hurt somebody else severely. Compatibility. Are we compatible? Some people might just blurt out, yeah, we compatible. Not necessarily, not with me, but they're compatible with whoever they are involved with. And when there's a breakdown or a problem, it's always going to be blamed on the other person. That's it.